Welcome back to Creating with Way Designs. It's our graduation season, and we as crafters, we as designers, we have all our templates ready to serve our customers, okay? To serve our moms and dads, our customers and their graduates. So here we are. And today's video, I'm going to show you the bundle that I have available for you guys. Um, uh, this bundle is amazing. It has everything inside. Let's go to the grid view and you can see. Okay, in this bundle, we have this design. This right here is the t-shirt design and it's editable. That means every year you can sell with it because these are all text and stuff here. You can change the pictures and all that. And then we have the box, okay? The box template right here. Actually, I don't like it. Then it's like this. Okay. Then we have the box template. Okay, I'll show you which box it is. The box template right here. And here we have the label, shipping label. This is the, how do you call it? This is the editable part. And then we have these canvas frames here that you can use as mock-ups, okay, for your designs. We have this one too. This is also editable, I can tell you. You see this 226 here. Next year it will be 2027, so you can use it every year. Okay, you can use it every year. And let me go in here, let this in. And this here you can drag and drop pictures of the graduate into these, the pictures of the graduate. I don't know if I have pictures. Let's see. I will drag into it anything. Let's let me see. Let me see. Let's say this is our graduate. Okay. Come on, graduate. Let's say this is our graduate. You see, I'm able to drag and drop her face in it, and then I'm going to adjust it. You see that her face will be in it. For instance, if this is my undergraduate, drag and drop. Make sure that your image is big enough, okay? Make sure that your image is big enough. Let's say I want her like this. You see, I have her right there. And let's say this is the other one. We're going to drag and drop her. You see, she's in there, okay? So let's say this is a graduate, and the dad of the graduate will wear a shirt with this design. You can change the colors up here. Look at it. Look, you can change it. If I want to change it to pink or to red, this red. The blue part here is the part around the dad. If I want to change that to yellow, I can do that. If I want to change it to green, you see? So you can change it. Also this one here. You can change it in the text here. You can change the font and everything. And let me do this. Yeah, you can change it, and let's go back. Yeah, you can change it to the wish of the customer, and you can do the same with mom. You see that? You can change it up. This is a mock-up for a garden flag. Okay, and also if you're selling pillows, you have this in it to showcase your design. And this is the amazing one. This one I made it every year. I started in 2023, 24, 25, and now this year. This is very easy to use. You drag and drop your images inside. I will have a separate video about it. You drag and drop your images inside. You can change the colors, change the colors around it. You can change the name. See here, this is just text. You can put in your name and stuff. I have it here for, and then I have this one. This one is amazing also. I will also have a separate video about it. you can make it like, and it will come out like this. After you put it together, you download it into from Canva into your software, your cutting software, and then you cut it. And then here, okay, here I also have the, how do you call it? The panel, like how to make the panel. I have the template here also. Okay, the template is here. And the fan, you can go in here and change the text, change the pictures. Okay, change the pictures. If you don't want that, you change it. Change the text. You can even change the color. And these ones here, you just put the picture in the back and you edit it, like you edit it with, let me see here, what are you doing? We have you. Let's go. Okay, text. Always group this way. And you edit it with I will do a video about it too. Yeah, you have different ones. You can change the colors and chip bags. And in it, you get this one here. You can use it. Okay, and then after that, you can create your own mockups. You can create your own mockups. And down here, you have everything. You have everything here in a mockup. For instance, if you purchase this bundle to resell, you can use this as your mockup, and then you can change this. Click here to access the files. Actually, you don't have to change anything here. You can download this as a PDF and then load it up, and your customers will be able to access this right here. Okay, and this all is available on my website. Okay, I'll be adding more to it. All these are 16 by 20, like, or 13 by 19. These are 8.5 by 11 size, and these here, the big ones here, these are the sizes, the true sizes of the panels. Okay, the true sizes. You can find it under here. Let's go here on the orange, like the true sizes of these designs. The true sizes. I put it in there. Okay. And this is the mock-up of it. This is the one that you can create, and these are the side panels that you can edit. You can change the color, change the text, and everything else. Okay. I will leave the link below if you're interested. And like I said, I'm adding more to it because this is an amazing bundle and it's very, very useful. And also, if you have questions about other files, let me know in the comment section. I will put the link below where you can get it on my website. Thank you so much for watching.